26 anyos na lalaki ng
Nahulihan ng mahigit 1 milyong pisong halaga ng arestado sa pagkakiwalay na drug bypass operation.
Nasa 18.6% ng mga kabataan po sa Pilipinas ang hindi nag-aaral sa ngayon ayon po sa Philippine Statistics Authority of PSA.
Time. Do I have enough time?
Stop using drugs because drugs can damage your brain, your body, and your future. They can make you sick, lose control, and they can hurt your family and friends.
Drugs can also ruin your school and job.
Staying away from drugs keeps them safe.